Speed Made Good, practice problem 3. You're underway on course 172 degrees true at 18.5 knots. The current is 78 degrees true at 2.8 knots. What is your speed made good? Again, let's get our course. We're going to get our course, put our current on there, and then put our speed off the current and see what we can measure. So 172. Here we go. It's down by 180, 17, 171, 172. Okay. There we are. 172. Boom, right to the middle. Course equals 172. Okay. And now we're going to put the current on here. 78 at 2.8. 78. Okay, I can already tell because the current's going to be off this way, it potentially will be, it's going to take away from our 18.5 speed. Okay, so 78, 78, that's 978. Okay. And it's 2.8. So I'm just going to draw the line out to about here, right? Because we know the outer ring is 2. This is 4. It's going to be in here somewhere. 2.8. Bring it over to the scale. Start at 0 and say 2. There's 3. There's 375. So it's just a little bit past 375. I don't know how well you can see that, but that's about 2.8. So from the middle out, sweep a little arc. So I cut into the paper a little bit so I can see the mark. Then I take a fine pencil, stick it right in that cut mark, and there I am. So again, 78, 2.8. Now I can take my 18.5. You see, if I was to use a 1-to-1 scale, 18.5 is like, whoa, I way off this thing. So 18.5, I go to my 2-to-1 scale, and I get my 18.5. Still pretty big. So there's 18. Don't go to the, remember that middle tick, that's 19. So bring it in a little bit, 18.5. That'll do it. And we're going from the end of our current vector, and then our course was 172, so we're down here. I like to mark the course so I can read it. And keep in mind, I'm not like trained by the military or something to use this. I'm just solving these problems. Okay, there we are. See, from the end of our current vector down our course line, and now we measure the distance. You can see how it's going to be a little bit slower. So now we adjust it, and boom, we're right at the middle. And now we can measure it. And this is our speed made good. I got 18.1. I'm saying 18.1. Just a little bit past 18. So I'm saying 18.1. Let's see what our answers are. I got an 18.2. That's the closest one. I'm saying A right here. 3 is A. Let's check. 3 is in fact A. Good. I will see you on the next problem.
If you find these videos helpful, consider using US Captain's Training as your course provider when getting your captain's license.